Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Managed Streaming data with AWS Data Lifecycle, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your AWS Managed Streaming data, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Kinesis Service dashboard. Select the data stream that you want to back up. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to modify the data stream. Click on the Data Lifecycle Manager option in the side menu. Choose the Create Lifecycle Policy button. Define a name for your lifecycle policy that reflects its purpose. Select the type of resource you want to back up. In this case, choose Amazon Kinesis Data Streams. Configure the policy schedule according to your needs. Choose how often you want the backups to occur, such as daily or weekly. Specify the retention period for the backups. Decide how long you want to keep your backup data before it gets deleted. Set up tags for easy identification of the lifecycle policies. Tags can help in organizing multiple policies under your AWS account. Review all configuration settings for accuracy. Ensure that the selected schedule and retention period meet your backup requirements. Click the Create Policy button to finalize the lifecycle policy. Now, your lifecycle policy is active and ready to manage backups automatically. Monitor the execution of your lifecycle policy through the dashboard. You can check for any completed or failed backup jobs in the activity logs. Adjust the policy settings anytime if your backup needs change. Continue to stay informed about your AWS Managed Streaming data and backup status regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.